For making these beautiful earrings, at first make a magic circle, do a chain 2 and do not consider this as a stitch. In the magic circle we will be doing a double crochet followed by chain 3 picot in this manner, and we are going to have 11 more such double crochets followed by chain 3 picots. So when all the 12 sets of double crochets followed by chain 3 picots are done in this round, just pull the tail of the magic circle to close the circle and complete this round with a slip stitch in the first double crochet stitch followed by chain 1 and cut the yarn. Make 2 such pieces. Attach the jhumkas with jump rings, attach fish hooks at the top portion and stick some beads in the center for decoration. For making these earrings, take the brown colored thread, make a magic circle and chain 2. In the magic circle, do total 14 double crochet stitches and quickly complete it. Pull the tail of the magic circle to close it and complete this round with a slip stitch in the first double crochet stitch followed by chain 1 and cut the yarn. Pull the loop and the center portion is ready. Slip stitch with the yellow colored yarn in any stitch of the last round followed by chain 3. In the next stitch, do a cluster of 3 double crochet stitches and then chain 3 and slip stitch in the next stitch followed by chain 3 and repeat. That is, in the next stitch do a cluster of 3 double crochet stitches followed by chain 3 and slip stitch in the next stitch and repeat it till the end. At the end, slip stitch in the first stitch where you began followed by chain 1 and cut the yarn. Make 2 such sunflowers, attach the fish hooks and the earrings are ready. To make the curlicue earrings, take the embroidery floss, make a slip knot, insert the hook in it and start doing 22 chains. Yarn over, insert your hook in the third chain from the hook and do 3 double crochet stitch there. And in the same manner, do 3 double crochets in each and every remaining chains. We will be having a total of 60 double crochet stitches. At the end, do a chain 1 and cut the yarn. Weave in the loose ends and curl your earrings. For the border, take contrasting colored yarn, make a slip knot, insert the hook in it, slip stitch in the last double crochet stitch followed by a chain 1 to secure the slip stitch in and start doing 1 single crochet in each and every double crochet stitch. At the end, do a chain 1 and cut the yarn, weave in the loose ends, curl the earrings, attach the fish hooks and the earring. For making these hoop earrings, take a metallic hoop, take an embroidery floss and do a slip knot, insert the hook in it and then slip stitch around the hoop followed by chain 1. Then we will start doing single crochet stitches around the hoop. We will do a total of 30 single crochet stitches in this round. At the end, we will do a chain 1 and cut the yarn. We will take another yarn of different color, slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch followed by chain 3. This chain 3 is the first double crochet stitch of the round. In the same stitch, do 2 more double crochets. In the next single crochet stitch, do total 3 double crochet stitches and repeat it throughout the round. That is, in each and every stitch of the last round, do 3 double crochets in each one of those. At the end, do a chain 1, cut the yarn, weave in the loose ends and the earrings are ready. For making these earrings, take the metallic hoop and embroidery floss with 20 beads in it, make a slip knot, insert the hook in it. We will then slip stitch around the metallic hoop in this manner. Followed by chain 1, we will do 20 single crochet stitches around the metallic hoop. Do as many as you want. Followed by chain 1, turn your work, pass the bead towards the hook, 1 single crochet stitch in the first stitch followed by chain 1, pass the next bead towards the hoop, 1 single crochet in the next stitch followed by chain 1, again pass the next bead towards the hook, do a single crochet followed by chain 1 and repeat it till the end. We will be having total 20 single crochet stitches followed by chain 1 in this round. At the end, we will simply do a chain 1 and cut the yarn. We will weave in all the loose ends and stick the loose ends with fabric glue. Earrings are ready.